You are welcome to class. You are welcome to today's class. So, today we are going to focus on indentation. We talk about variable and identifier, and we say that a variable is a storage, a memory storage, and we also say that identifier is used to identify a variable. Now, indentation refers to a space at the beginning of a line of code. It is very important as Python uses indentation to indent block of code. If the indentation is not correct, we will end up having indentation error. So we are going to create an if statement which we are going to see what is wrong uh, if we did not indent the if statement. Now we assign a variable called 30 a variable name called indent and to a variable value which is 30. And we said if we use the if statement, because we have not gotten to the if statement, but we use the if statement. We said if the index is equal to 30, print correct. When I indent it to the right path and run it, it will run, it will print the correct. But when I adjust it backward, it will not run because the indentation is wrong. So you will see the output and the output will say indentation error. Okay, so let's wait for the result. So did you see indentation error? And it said expected an indent block after if statement on line 2. So we are going to variable assignment. Variable assignment, we have the integer variable, the floating, the string variable, which the integer is an whole number, this 10. A float variable is a value with points, which is 20.5, and a string attached with a quote, and which we declare it as a hello world. So when we run it on a separate line. So it print out the result. We are going to also look on multiple assignment. When we want to write a multiple assignment, we assign everything on a straight line, which is the integer comma and the float variable like that, and then assign everything together. So we printed everything and it gave us the result. So hope you guys are with me. So we are going to our next topic, which is data type. We are going to look on the various data type. So we are going to look on data type. So data type, and data type are variable with different type, such as we have the numeric data type, the boolean, the string. We also have different. There are so many. So let me go through it again. I say the data type is a data with their different type which they belong to, which is most data, or some of them belong to different data type. We have the numeric, the alphanumeric, we have the boolean and all. So we are going to look on the how to check for the data type. So we are going to create a variable called data, then we pass in 50, then we want to see the variable type. Now for us to see the type, we are going to use this printing format to print the type. We are going to use type Type is a function. It's a function which we use to check the type of a data. Then we pass in the data, the variable name. The variable name we are passing is data, which we declare here at the beginning. So once we run it, it will tell me that this is a class of integer. So numeric, this is a numeric data type and it's a class of integer. Now we can also check for the class. If it's a floating point, it will also tell me it's a floating value. So let me run it. You see, it told me it's a float. Now we are going to check if it's a complex value. Now when I assign a value like this, I'll say 59 plus 67 plus, or I will just put J attach J. When I run it, it will tell me it's a complex. This is a complex because the system did not understand the the category this variable I declare belongs to, and automatically it will name it as complex variable. So I'm going to boolean. Boolean has only two value, which is true and false. It has only two value, which is true and false. Now we are going to declare a variable called boolean or bool. We are going to use bool, and we are going to pass in true, true. Then we'll pass in bool here. Once I run it, and you will see it's a bool. The true bool is bool. Okay, and it's showing me yellow because I use the keyword. So let me use other name. Let me use other name so that you guys will not be confused. Okay, now let me run it. You see the class is bool. Okay, is bool. So if I use false here, if I use false, I'm coming. It's showing me an error because my first word is not capitalized. So it will definitely tell me and it's an error. Okay, so let me run it now. Once I run, it will tell me bool. So this is a boolean. Now we are going to string creation, which I've already explained string. I said that string uses quote. A string uses quote. Now we are going to see the concept of string and how does string work. So it's not only the explanation, but we are going to look on how we can create it. And so now we are going to declare a variable called string1. String1. Then we are going to pass in a string. We are going to pass in a string, or we are going to say hello, let's say hello world. Then okay, now let us print the string. Let us print the string now. Then for us to print the string, let me create a new tab. Then I'll say print, then pass in string one. Once I run, it will print the output. I'm coming. It will show me an error because I did not run the first tab. So now let me run it. I've run it. Now this hello. Okay, we have seen on how we can create a string. Okay, let's check for the type. Let's check for the type. Now let's see. Let's check for the type. We are going to use a function called type, and we are going to pass it. Once we run, it will tell us string. Then, okay, let me do it like this. Okay, I'm coming. So, so we are waiting for the output. Okay, look at it. String hello world. So this is a string. This is how we can check for the type. And so let's see how we can use the triple quotes, double quotes. We have the single quotes, we have the triple quote and the triple and the single, we have the double quote. So this is an example of single quotes. This is an example of single quotes. Now this is double quotes, and in subsequent class, in our subsequent class, we are going to see how we can use all these quotes, because these quotes are most times we do not understand where we are supposed to use a double quote and a triple quote and single quote. So when we enter print function, we are going to learn on how we can use the when and how to use the single quote, multiple double quote and the triple quote. This is the um double quote. This is the double quote. So this is the double quote. Now I want to show you on how we can use um, the triple quote. Now let's create. Now we are going to name it three, and we are going to use three quotes. Now three quotes. Okay, if I'm using these three quotes, I can break it. I can break it. Look at it. I can break it. I can break it and it will still produce a result for me. Look at it. It will not give me an error. So let me print it now. Let me print our output. You see, it created this, it printed it out for us and it gave us a space. So I hope you guys are following. Hope you understand what I just explained. Okay, now we are going to indexing. Okay, we are going to string indexing. And before I start the string indexing, I have to take you to Google to show you what is indexing and what is indexing all about. So let me search for indexing before I can share my screen to my Google, okay? So So let me share my screen to my Google. So
Can you hear me, sir? What about now? What about now, sir? Hello, I can hear you. What about now? Can you hear me? Hello. Okay, okay. My system was hanging initially, so that is why. Okay. Hey, you were talking about index. Like you're using this Python to as an illustration. So, like for this Python now, if you are going to look at it, the index to carry like zero, and that zero is the first index, rather than starting from one, two, three, four, like that. So the first indexing is going to be zero for Python, for P rather, in Python. Yes, sir.
Sir, from string indexing, you you told us that in string we have two types of string indexing. We have the forward direction indexing and the backward direction indexing. In the forward, the numbering starts from zero, so P is zero, while in the backward it starts from -c and increases progressively to -1. In forward indexing, it starts from 0 and increases to 5.
In what I understand in string indexing is like finding a string in a group of strings. So when finding from from the forward, you start with minus zero because it counts from minus zero, while when finding from behind, you start with a negative number, that's minus. So is you start from minus. That's what I understand.
Okay. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. I've never done this before. Which location should I do it, please? Okay. Um, on this dashboard down here.
It's under that three icon, that three dots.
Okay. Mm. Start live stream. Uh, I know. I can see embed meeting, view shortcut, settings, participate stars, select background, show whiteboard, extra noise, share audio, share video. Start. Ye- Yes, yes. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I've seen it. Okay, okay, sir. Um, Google, right? Okay. New tab. So we are there. All right, we're here. String. 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 This first one. Yes. Yes. Okay, we're here.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Can you hear me? Okay. String slicing in Python. String slicing in Python is a way to get specific parts of a string by using start, end, and step values. Is especially useful for text manipulation and data passing. So let's take a quick example of string slicing. So here we have a variable, I think is x. The screen is somehow blur here. I don't know if that's x.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Sir, please take it over again. Sorry. Mhm. Yes, I can. Yes. It's, okay. String slicing in Python is a way to get specific part of a string by using start, end, and step values. It is especially useful for text manipulation and data passing. Pa- Yes, 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 sir. Yes, 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 sir. So, sorry, sir. Sir, so for this example that they did here now, the does it mean they picked only 0 and 5? 0 and 5 if it is part of the 5. Yeah, yes, start and yes, yes. So this word now it will bring everything. That is, it will bring the whole of Python. Okay, this one. Yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah, Yes. 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 They are five. Yes. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. The output is showing hello. Okay, I understand, sir.
Yes, sir. I understand, sir. I understand.
Okay, so good evening to everyone. I'm sorry I'm late. I just joined right now. Yes, sir, I always do that.
Yes, good evening. Sorry, I can't see the screen now. I can't see the screen now, but I want to ask a question. When you are doing that string index, can you hear me? Okay, I can't say anything. It's blank now, but I'm talking about when you are sharing your own screen, that we are doing screen index, that you wrote Python. Hmm? You can't. Okay, from the left, you count from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then if it's from the right, you count from, is it -1, -2, -3? Oh, okay, okay. Mm, -1. Okay, okay. Thank you. I understand, sir. Okay.
So can you hear me? So I can barely hear what you've been saying though because I'm not at home. Like I tried to explain in my text, I'm not at home. I even screenshotted my battery is 15% since I started plug. I plugged it here. I've been trying to follow up. I don't want to miss out, and I don't want to give excuse from the class for today, so I can follow up with the notes you drop tomorrow. and do the group study tomorrow. That's why I'm still here, trying to just follow up in any way I can follow. Okay, can I be excused to leave the class for today? Can I be excused to leave for today? All right, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Okay, that's tomorrow. All right, thank you.
So she's having network issues, and she's not here. She's having network issue, but she's not here.
Sir? All right. Yes, sir. I want to say ask a question. Sir, so if you are going to be using the backward indexing method, I think okay that one we just have to put in, like for this instance, this one will put minus yeah. Yes, I did. Yes, sure, it is. Hello, Python. Sorry, sir.
Yes.
I don't know.
Can you
Can you
say
go
again?
over it again? Sir? Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah, I understand. I understand. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, I'm there, sir. I'm there. Okay. Okay. Very easy, sir.